Hey everyone! Today is Cleo and Daisy's second birthday. So for them I decided to make some cupcakes, cat cupcakes of course. So the ingredients that are needed for these cupcakes are 2 cans of chicken breast, a half a cup of olive oil, 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 4 eggs, there's Annie, 2 tablespoons of catnip, that's why she's there, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. I'm not really a baker, usually burn stuff. Okay, and then the olive oil, half a cup. I'm gonna beat up these eggs. I'm going to add the chicken into the egg and oil mixture. And I've already drained these. I have the chicken in here with the eggs and the oil, and now it's time for the good part, which is 2 tablespoons of catnip. It's a brand new pack. Hopefully it's nice and fresh. So I got 1, 2, we'll just do the whole thing. They won't mind. Okay. And now to this, I'm going to take the baking soda and put it in with the flour and mix that up. All right, and I'm gonna add this in here. Okay, so this looks like it's mixed up really well. My arm's a little tired. I mean, I don't really need more than 5, but you know what? I'll leave it at 5. That's 6. Take one out. I definitely made a lot more than what I needed, so I'd probably just do half of everything I did next time. Otherwise I'll just have to get more cats. So I'm gonna put these 5 cakes into the oven and I hope they come out okay. They're gonna go in for about 30 minutes. Okay, so that's what they look like. Okay, now I have to let them cool for, I don't know, maybe like a half hour or so. I don't want the cats to burn their mouths. Okay, so these are completely cooled now. So, I mean, they don't smell too bad, to be honest. Okay. So I have 5 cakes, and I'm gonna put candles in Cleo and Daisy's cupcake, but I'm not gonna light them because I worry about them burning their little whiskers off, so it'll just be for fun.